We start with Don Daler because, as I say, they may have found, the 101st Airborne with whom Don is embedded, may have found a cache of chemical weapons in a training facility there near Karbala. Let's go to Don Daler by phone. Don?
Yes, hi, Charlie. I am located in a little town about halfway between Karbala and the city of Hilla. There is a military training facility. It's actually, they believe, being used for paramilitary training, and they are not quite ready yet to announce that they've definitely found chemical weapons, but there's quite a bit of evidence here leading them to believe, or at least to give high suspicion to that. In addition to the drums of chemicals that you mentioned that are wired with explosives, there are also rooms inside the buildings that contain large amounts of gas masks, atropine sets, that kind of thing. They also have a prisoner of war that they took during this operation who describes filling grenades and rocket-propelled grenades with some kind of substance, that he was filling them. They're quizzing him thoroughly. The bridge itself crossing Euphrates was set up with numerous landmines in a booby-trap fashion. One of the prisoners of war they took was within reach of the detonators. They surprised him, and he did not detonate it. Some of the soldiers last night who were searching the facilities came upon a room with lots of Iraqi uniforms, and they started feeling ill. They later reported having red splotches on their face, sore throats, nausea, that sort of thing. They say that could have been the heat stroke, but the fact that all of them were feeling similar symptoms is highly suspicious. The chemical units came in and tested. Two different testing systems tested positive for chemical weapons. The third system, which they believe is the more sophisticated, more reliable one, has not yet tested positive. However, there are drums that they found wires attached to that are actually buried. They will be digging those up within the next 24 hours and doing more continuous testing on that. Charlie?
All right, thanks. Don Daler reporting live by phone.